Estimating total distance. Suppose a car is moving with increasing velocity, and suppose we measure the car's velocity every 2 seconds to obtain the following information. We want to estimate how far the car has traveled. Let's consider only the first 2 seconds. In the first 2 seconds, my car is traveling at least 20 feet per second for 2 seconds. If we multiply, the seconds would cancel and we would end up with 40 feet. So in the first 2 seconds, my car has traveled at least 40 feet. We can estimate the total distance traveled by evaluating each of the 2-second intervals in a similar manner. So in the first 2 seconds, we're traveling at least 20 feet per second for 2 seconds. In the next 2 seconds, between 2 and 4 seconds, we're traveling at least 30 feet per second for 2 seconds. In the next 2 seconds, between 4 and 6 seconds, we are traveling at least 38 feet per second for 2 seconds. In the next 2 seconds, between 6 and 8, we are traveling at least 44 feet per second for 2 seconds. In the 2 seconds between 8 and 10, we are traveling at least 48 feet per second for 2 seconds. We can evaluate this total using our calculators, and we will get 360 feet. So my car has traveled at least 360 feet. We divided our 10-second interval into 2-second pieces, so we have 5 estimates, but we did not use all the information on the table. Let's look at this problem again, this time considering at most how fast my car was traveling. We will return to a consideration of the first 2 seconds. In those first 2 seconds, my car was traveling at most 30 feet per second for 2 seconds. We multiply, and again the seconds cancel, and we end up with 60 feet. So my car has traveled at most 60 feet in these first 2 seconds. We go back and evaluate each of our 2-second intervals in a similar manner, and we will estimate the total distance by calculating the first 2 seconds. We are traveling at most 30 feet per second for 2 seconds. In the next 2 seconds, between 2 and 4 seconds, we are traveling at most 38 feet per second for 2 seconds. In the next 2 seconds, between 4 and 6, we are traveling at most 44 feet per second for 2 seconds. In the next 2 seconds, between 6 and 8, we are traveling at most 48 feet per second for 2 seconds. And in the last 2 seconds, between 8 and 10, we are traveling at most 50 feet per second for 2 seconds. We once again use our calculators, and we get 420 feet. So, at this moment, we have an underestimate for the total distance traveled. We have an overestimate for the total distance traveled, and to get our best estimate, we'll average the two. So 360 plus 420 divided by 2 for the two things that we are averaging, and we end up with a best estimate of 390 feet.